In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom JS code in Elementor. Elementor, as many of you know, is a powerful page builder for WordPress that allows you to design beautiful websites with ease. Its flexibility and range of features appeal to both beginners and experienced developers alike. One of the awesome things you can do with Elementor is to add custom JavaScript code, giving you the ability to further enhance the functionality and interactivity of your web pages. Follow along with me as we step through this process. First, let's get started by navigating to the page you want to modify. Once you're there, click on the Edit with Elementor button to open up the Elementor editor. This tool is really intuitive, offering a live, front-end editing experience so you can see exactly how your changes look in real time. Whether you're creating a new page or updating an existing one, Elementor's editor makes it a breeze to get things just right. Now, once you have your page open in Elementor, you'll find your toolbox on the left-hand side. This is where all the magic happens, as it houses a variety of widgets you can use to build your page. What we want is the HTML widget, which you'll find by either scrolling down or typing HTML into the search bar. When you find it, simply drag and drop that widget into the section of the page where you want your JavaScript code to appear. Take a moment to position it carefully, as this will affect where and how your script runs on the page. Now it's time to integrate your JavaScript. Once the HTML editor window opens up, you'll see a field where you can input your code. Paste your JavaScript snippet here, but don't forget an essential step. Your JavaScript needs to be wrapped in script tags. This is a crucial step, as these tags tell the page how to handle the code you're adding, ensuring that it's executed correctly. Once you've pasted your code, it's important to save your changes. Look for the green Update button at the bottom of the editor's sidebar. By clicking this, you ensure that all the adjustments you've made are applied to your live page. After updating, it's a good idea to preview your page to confirm that the JavaScript is functioning as expected. Simply click on the eye icon in the bottom left corner, and this will allow you to see the page exactly as a visitor would. Take a moment to test any interactive elements your script modifies or adds, ensuring everything works smoothly. And there you have it. You have successfully added custom JavaScript to your Elementor page. Whether you're adding dynamic features or improving user interaction, understanding how to enhance your website with custom code opens up a whole new world of possibilities in Elementor. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!